what's some of the other things that guide the assistance dogs can help with?
They can help with so many things. They can alert to seizures, alert to blood pressure and cardiac events. They can detect chemical changes for anxiety. They can pull their handlers somewhere safer. I've seen dogs have buttons to call like 000 or 911 in America or
Wow.
whatever whatever is that country and that person's service, like emergency service number. They can call them. Pull wheelchairs, open doors. The list is endless. If a dog can physically do it, they can do it as a job as long as it migrates that disability. And every disability can be the same name, but be that little bit different or different for different people. And the dog has to then help that individual person and find a way to do it.